Hello guys and welcome to a new episode of Making One Bill on a mid-level account. I'll go do some revs now to start the episode with because I need money. I bought scales, and bought some pots and I'm out of money. I need some money to go do some DKs or something. Let's go. I almost got PK'd but I survived and made 350k. I just finished my trip to Revenants and I died there, so I'm selling the loot. It's 523k. Really good. I think I'll go do more DKs now. Oh, Snapdragon. Nice. Just finished my trip to DKs. Honestly, it was a very bad trip. 220k. No uniques. No DXs. Nothing to pay me back my runes. But it's okay. I'll see what I'll do next. Oh my god, guys. We got the large ring. Nice, nice, nice. Nice. Very nice. 5 mil. Hell yeah. And for this trip we made 5 mil and 30k. Very nice trip. Just upgraded our dragon scimitar into an abyssal whip, which is really good. I'll see what else I should buy with my 2.5 mil almost. And coming up, 69 agility. I just need one more agility level to be able to do Saradomin. So yeah, I'm going for that. Alright guys, last lap for 70 agility. Let's go. Let's go. Nice. We are doing Saradomin now. We can do Saradomin now. First time. Let's go. Alright guys, so I got my gear for doing Saradomin. This is what I ended up with. I don't have money for D-hide boots. This is my bank right now. I sold my whip to get a dragon crossbow and I'm out of cash. So let's hope we do well. It's my first time ever killing Saradomin, by the way. So wish me luck guys. Alright guys, for my second trip I changed a bit in the gear. I got Rex helm and I changed a bit in the potion setup. Let's hope we get something good this trip. Oh my god, I got a rune sword. Oh my god, man, for real. For real. On my 4th KC. Oh, I just got 97 range. Pretty nice. We made 130k from that trip. At least we didn't lose that much money. I will go for another one. Our second trip, 135k. Alright. Alright guys, I decided to go to Revenants, make it 1 mil or 2 mil, then I'll go back to Sarah. Let's see how it goes. First trip, 371k, pretty nice. We need a bit more. And the second trip guys, it was 100k. PKers came too fast so I couldn't kill many of them. Oh, pretty nice. We got a dragon plate skirt. And here we are with 400k loot. Pretty nice. 454k trip. Very nice. I think now I can go to Sarah again. This is the loot from Revenants, 1.6 mil, and there's more in low runes and blood runes and death runes, but I won't sell them. I'll keep them because I'll use them later. That's very nice. I think I'll keep the super swords as well. Yeah, let's go. Nice, we got an uncommon key. We need one more before we go. Oh, dragon boots. Nice, dragon boots drop. We really needed that. I had to go out for a bit, and what do we do when we go out? We play on mobile, and that's exactly what I did. And I went Revenants, got myself 1.1 mil. This will boost me a lot when I go to Sarah now. I'll see you there guys. 81k trip. Okay. Oh my god, the Sarah sword. Well, it's better than nothing at least. I'll take it. That's good. That's really good, actually. But it's too early, honestly. A loop half key? Fuck my life. Okay, I think she wants me to stay here. She wants me to stay here for a long time, probably. Dural RC, it's pretty nice. I think I can do one more kill. I only have one stamina potion left. One mil trip, very nice. I will go get more ecumenical keys, and I will do one or two more trips. Maybe we get the hilt or something. At last we got the ecumenical key. It took me long enough. Are we dead here? Easy guys, easy. We got the other ecumenical key. Now we are ready to go start again. 176k trip, not bad at all. Let's do one more. Okay guys, from now on I will be getting KC. I will not farm ecumenical keys because it takes too long. And I have a chance of getting the boots while taking KC, so it's good. Look at it, it's so beautiful on the ground. That's why I'm getting KC from now on, and it's faster as well. I don't know what should I drop. I think I'll drop the shark. Yeah. Oh my god. 2 dragon boots in the same trip. 2 dragon boots in the same trip. I already made bank. I don't need to go Sar anymore. Oh nice, we got the Godsar child from the minions. It's better than nothing. Just got the Sar sword from a minion. Pretty nice, what a trip. Look at it. I'm just missing a health now. Let's get it. Just finished my trip and it was 1.8 mil. Pretty nice. I think I'll do more now, or I'll find something else to do. I had to buy a new crystal shield because my shield is 1 on 10 and it have 20 hits only. So it costed me some money. It's okay, I need it anyway. At DK's and at Sarah. We ended up with 314k. Not bad at all. I'll go for one more trip. I'm doing way better now. Look at my supplies. I just ended the trip because I don't have stamina potions. I will get more next trip. I will go with 5. What do we have here? Dragon boots. Pretty nice. By the way guys, my dragon boots luck is insane. Look at this. On 132 kills, I got 4 dragon boots. Another trip guys, 614k. The boots is more than half of it honestly. But it's 614k with the boots. Pretty nice. Let's go for more. 373k trip. Not bad. I think I'll keep going until 100 KC. That's 1 or 2 trips. 2 trips actually. Okay guys, at 96 KC, we finished the trip with 300k. I think I'll do one more. I'm at 105 KC now. 260k dude. Not bad. But still no health or ACB. Too bad. I don't know if I'll go for more or go do something else now. This guys, what the fuck is this? Saradoma is trolling. I just got the Godsar chart. I'm staying here until I get the health or something. I just made for 115k. We are at 118 KC right now. Okay guys, we ended the trip on 130 KC. We made 1 mil and 50k. Not bad honestly. Could have been better. Okay, this trip ends at 139 KC. We ended up with 290k roughly. I will randomize for who wins the black mask. I will just randomize whoever get first will win it. Let's go. Zezima won their role. Congratulations to Zezima. Okay guys, this will wrap up the video. We are at 15.3 mil bank now. These items are I dropped them because they are untradeable. They cost money, as you can see. The bank went up, so 15.3 mil, not bad in 3 episodes. I think I will keep doing Sarah for the next episode. If you wanna see any boss, tell me. I will do it for you guys. Let's hope we make bank. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you subscribe and comment. See you later.